In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page for a webinar using GetResponse. Creating a landing page can be an effective way to advertise and gather signups for your webinar. So let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to head over to your GetResponse dashboard. Once you're on this familiar screen, look towards the top of the page and you'll see a tab labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. This tab houses many useful features, but today we are focusing on the landing pages option. By clicking on landing pages, you will be directed to a new area dedicated to this purpose. In this section, we're going to create a landing page designed specifically for webinars. Click on Create Landing Page. This option opens up a variety of design avenues. You'll be greeted with two main choices here, but we're going to focus on using a ready-made template, which offers convenience and efficiency without sacrificing customization. Next, choose Blank Templates. This will present a clean slate where you can execute your creative vision without any preset constraints. Look for the Use Template button and click on it. This will load the template into the builder where you can start designing. Now, click on the loaded template to start editing it to match your preferred style. You have the ability to change text, colors, images, and any other elements to fit your webinar theme, thereby ensuring consistency with your brand. Once you've tailored the page to your liking, click Continue. This will guide you to settings that allow for greater customization and utility. You'll find options to configure settings like adding the page's name and subscription settings. Subscription settings are vital since they handle how users sign up for your webinar. Also, don't forget to click on favicon. This small icon will represent your page in browser tabs, so it's another branding opportunity. You can also set up a cookie consent banner to ensure compliance with privacy laws and enhance user trust. Additionally, explore analytics and integrations to integrate analytical tools that track page performance. If desired, you can activate web push notifications to actively remind subscribers about your event. Once all these settings are configured to your satisfaction, click Business Information to review and finalize your compliance and branding info. Now, we're almost at the finish line. Click Continue. Finally, type in a catchy landing page name and decide on a suitable domain name. A memorable and relevant domain is crucial in ensuring that attendees can easily find your event. With everything set and polished, you're ready to click Publish. Congratulations, your webinar's landing page is now live and ready to attract participants. Don't forget to share the link widely to garner maximum attendance. Thanks for joining today's tutorial on creating an impactful landing page with GetResponse. Good luck with your webinar.